Garden Maintenance Service, Bayside, Victoria. This profitable garden maintenance service comes with a solid customer base and heaps of potential. Launched in 2020, the business runs from home, servicing Bayside including Mentone, Hyatt, Dingley Village, Keysborough, Clayton, Aspendale. Services range from mowing, pruning and planting, to end of lease and house sale presentation. The diverse client base includes domestic, corporate, aged care and disability clients, and body corps. There is potential to expand the business by hiring staff, buying more equipment, and increasing advertising. This is the perfect opportunity for an existing gardener, tradie, or someone seeking a green change from corporate life.